Word number 1 is smash. Smash a bug. In this sense, ¿a qué nos referimos? Estamos hablando de aplastar. Aplastar un bicho. Number 2. Downplay. This W is giving me a hard time. There we go. An example would be try to downplay the error. Intenta minimizar el error. Number 3. It's going to be rope in. In a figurative way of speaking, the ad ropes in people. El comercial engancha a la gente. You could also say atrae a la gente o agarrar. Number 4, timeline. Our timeline is here. Nuestro cronograma está aquí. Number 5. Lag. My video has a lag. Mi video tiene un desfase. Number 6 is going to be a sliding scale. Judged by a sliding scale. Juzgado por una escala móvil, or you can also say juzgado por una escala variante o variable. Excuse me. Escala. We'll stick with móvil. Number 7, road rage. Let's say no more road rage. Something like no más furia al volante. Number 8 is going to be a bystander. No bystanders were hurt. What am I saying? Me refiero a que no hubieron transeúntes heridos. Number 9 is going to be approach. In the sense, I know how to approach the problem. Yo sé cómo abordar. Oh, I didn't write this. Abordar el problema. And last but not least, number 10 is going to be a safeguards. The safeguards are active. Los salvaguardias están activos. So not too much of a difference between those. And that is TenForDiez.